I'm Whitney Destiny. In this video, we will be working on lengthening and strengthening our spine. This is good for anyone who stands on their feet all day. So get ready in a bit. All you need is yourself and your mat. So find a comfortable seat wherever you are. You can sit on top of a bolster. You just make sure your spine is nice and long. And you can sit in a comfortable seat, whatever is comfortable for you. Take a deep inhale, and then exhale. Take another deep inhale, and exhale. One more time. Take another deep inhale, and exhale. And then we'll start with some head rotations, bringing the right ear to the right shoulder, then taking the chin to chest, and then taking the left ear to the left shoulder, and then taking it all the way back. Just letting go of some tension of the neck. And now switch directions. And then back at neutral. Look over towards your right, turn the head. And now turn your head towards the left. Look up towards the ceiling. And then bring the chin to chest. And then placing the hands on the knees. Inhale, we're going to squeeze the shoulder blades up by our ears, and then exhale, bring it down the spine. Inhale, squeeze up by the ears, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And now do rotations the other way, so this time rounding forward. Same concept. Inhaling, bringing it up to the ears, and then exhaling, rolling them forward. And then come back to neutral. And now we can just start a little bit of fluid movement, bringing the right shoulder forward and taking it back, bringing the left shoulder forward and taking it back. Almost kind of like you're doing a dance. You're warming up the chest, the spine, and then add some circles. Just be free and fluid and do what feels good to your body. And now circles the other direction. And then back in neutral. Inhale, the arms go up. Exhale, cactus the arms, lifting the heart up towards the ceiling. Squeeze and top the shoulder blades. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, the arms lift long. And then exhale, you're going to twist over towards your right, placing the left hand on the right knee. The right hand goes behind you. So every inhale, you want to lengthen your spine. Think there's a string on the top of your crown, lengthening the head. And every exhale, you're going to twist a little deeper. Hold it right here. And inhale, the arms back up the center. And now exhale, twisting towards the left, placing the right hand on the left knee. The left hand goes behind. Every inhale, lengthening the spine. And every exhale, twisting a little deeper. Inhale back at center. And then placing the hands down. So now we're going to bring the feet hip width distance. We're going to take some seated cat-cow. Inhaling, bringing the chest forward. Exhaling, rotating back. Inhale. Exhale, rotating back. Inhale, bringing the chest forward. Exhale, tucking the spine and the tailbone. Inhale, and then exhale. Now straighten the legs out. Want to make sure your spine is nice and long. So press in the hands to give your spine length and engage the core. The toes are flexed towards you. We're going to make a fist. So you're going to place your thumb inside, bring the fingers down, and you're just going to go all the way down and up on your legs. Giving yourself a nice little massage, shaking out the legs, especially if you've been standing all day, or if you just have tight hamstrings, tight legs, and then at the hips, then you can beat the sacrum, and go down and around, and inhale, the arms go up, and on your exhale, you want to go forward, so you want to lengthen up, and then exhaling, going forward. So think about someone pulling your body forward, and you're just going to fold forward over your legs. You can also put a bend in your knees. Let's say if you can't reach your toes, you can bend your knees and have your chest resting on your thighs. Only if it's not accessible here. Hold and breathe here. And inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Noticing every time you do it, the deeper you go. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. One more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. And coming back, you're going to open your legs like a V shape. However wide you can open them. You're going to take your left hand to your right ankle. So a nice little twist here. And if you cannot reach your ankle, you can also bend your knee here and go like this. So whatever is accessible for you. And then you can take the right hand and reach around. And then coming back for center. Inhale, and the right hand comes over, reaching and grabbing for the left foot. And then the left hand goes over. But turn this way so you can better see me. Hold and breathe here. And coming back to center. Now bring your legs almost like hip width distance. We're going to do some twists here. So extend the arms out like you're pushing the walls away. The palms are flat. Take a deep inhale and exhale. You're going to twist. So you're going to bring your right hand to your left foot. The left hand goes behind. Inhale and center. Then exhale, twist. Taking the left hand to the outside of the right foot. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just keep going. If you're not able to reach your feet, you can put a bend in your knees. Right now we are lengthening and strengthening our spine. which is very good if you've been standing on your feet all day, or if you're experiencing low back pain, or sciatica, any of those things. So wherever you're at, keep going, inhaling at the center, and exhaling. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release your arms by your side. Roll the shoulders back, shake it out a bit. So now we're going to do the exact same thing, except this time we're going to open the legs a little wider. And you just want to open it as wide as you're comfortable. I mean, to your comfortability. Whatever's comfortable for you. Sorry, long day. So inhale and the arms go out at center. Take a deep inhale. And then exhale, twist. And so what this is allowing is for us to go deeper twist. Because we did it at first with our legs a little at hip width, and now it's a little open. So now we're just deepening the twist, which is lengthening and strengthening our spine. So keep going, keep breathing, keep smiling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake the legs out. And then come to, with the knees bent, the feet are hip width distance. The hands come behind you, and you're just going to take your right ankle over your left knee. You can stay here, or you can bring your chest more forward. Hold and breathe here. Keeping the spine nice and long. And then switch sides. Placing the left ankle over the right knee. This here is a great hip opener, modified hip opener for your quads, your hamstrings, as well as your hips. And then slowly release. And now we're going to come to on our back. So slowly roll down one vertebra at a time. So you're nice and flat on your back. We're going to do the same thing, except this time, the right ankle goes over the knee. You're going to interlace the hands behind your thigh or at the top of your leg. So whatever is comfortable for you, wherever you may be. And then you're going to use your right elbow to press your thigh away from you. Hold and breathe here. Taking nice, long, deep inhales and exhales. And then slowly release. Switching to the sides. Placing the left ankle over the right knee. Then you're going to interlace the hands either behind your thigh or on top of the leg, whatever is comfortable for you. And then you use your left elbow to press the left thigh further away from your body, while at the same time pulling the thigh towards your chest. Hold and breathe here. And then slowly release. Placing the feet back down. So now we're going to come into a modified bridge pose. So you want to bring your heels close to your middle finger. You want to make sure that they're touching. The knees are hip width distance. On an inhale, you're going to lift your hips up towards the ceiling, grounding down through all four corners of the foot, pressing the hands into the mat, and then exhale down. Inhale, lift the hips up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift the hips up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift the hips up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, hold here at the top. And then slowly release. Hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a hug. Rock side to side. And just feel the massage of your low back, your back, the back of your sacrum. And just enjoy. Hugging the right knee into the chest. Let the left leg go long towards the floor. And then placing the left hand on your left hip. You're going to take your right knee over towards the right side as far as it can go. Inhaling, bringing it back. And now for supine. So you're going to roll onto your left hip. You're going to take your right knee over. The arms go out like a cactus. Or like a U shape. And then your gaze go opposite of your knee. Hold and breathe here. Or you can look up at the ceiling. You have options. Just do what feels good to you, for you. And slowly hugging the knees back into the chest. Give yourself a nice little hug. Extend the right leg long, placing the right hand on the knee. Taking the left knee over towards the left side. Hold here for a brief moment. And now taking the left knee across your body. Rotate on the right hip. And then again, the arms are either like a cactus or out like a T. And gaze can be opposite of the leg, or you can look up at the ceiling. Hold and breathe here. And then slowly release. Rock up and down on your spine. Rock all the way up to a comfortable seat. Thank you guys. That was a quick little practice for people that have tight hamstrings, or just been standing on your feet all day, or if you just need like a little practice throughout your day to make you feel good. Thank you. I'll see you next time on your mat.